Hi guys, welcome to this short video. I'm starting my YouTube, trying to upload it every week with analysis in focus, right? Those analysis in focus is more of stocks that I see is going to move in a big way for this year, right? And we are now in week 5 and this is my first video, right? So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First thing first, financial disclaimer first. Everything that I share in this video or in whatever channel that I have is whether it's trade ideas or any stocks or any financial asset that I share is all for educational purposes, right? You need to do your own due diligence because I'm not right all the time, even though I'm right a lot of times, but a lot of times I'm wrong as well, right? So you need to do your own due diligence, right? Okay, and before I start, please follow me on social media. You can follow me on YouTube at this channel, right? That you find this video in, and also in my Facebook and Telegram, I do post updates about the markets almost every now and then, right? So make sure you subscribe to them, and most importantly, if you are watching this video, make sure you go to my YouTube video, smash the subscribe button and on the notification so that whenever I upload new analysis in focus, you will be the first to know, right? So let's jump right into it. The analysis in focus is Disney, right? Is Disney. So let's talk about this. Before we talk about Disney, let's look at the overall market, right? Whether it's more bullish or bearish, right? So over here I have S&P index, right? And over here you can see trend line being drawn. But overall, if you look at the top line here, it has broken out of a downward trend recently, right? And it is a very bullish signal, right? But of course, that doesn't mean it will go up straight away. A lot of times it may retract back a little bit before it continues to go up. But my point here is that since it has break the downward move, right, a downward trend line, it could be a bullish signal for markets to go up much higher for the rest of the year, right? Like I say, it doesn't go up in the straight line. It may just retrace a little bit before it goes back up, right? So overall, I feel like the market is overall going to be bullish for the rest of the year, right? Okay, even though there may be some corrections along the way, right? And we are going to talk about the analysis in focus is Disney, right? Disney. So Disney is actually in the so-called entertainment industry, right? So if I Google entertainment industry outlook over here that you can see over here in the first line, it says that overall the media and entertainment industry is expected to grow to $825 billion by 2023, which is the year we are in right now, okay, at the start of this year. And this is an increase from 717 billion in 2019, right? So I would say because of COVID opening up, this industry is going to benefit a lot, and because Disney is in this industry, it will benefit from the revenue growth as well, right? So with that said, right, another reason is also because it has sold down a lot, right, since its peak, right, since its all-time high of roughly Disney. Let's go into Disney. Okay, Disney. Okay, so for Disney, since its all-time high, like say I would say over here, March 2021, right? Since March 2021, it has retraced quite a bit. So if we were to look at the pricing that it retraced, I would say this is about 58%, right? Much more than the S&P, which is roughly 27%, right? So with that said, such a scenario is an oversold kind of scenario. If we were to look at the monthly chart, okay, we can see a very weird, interesting scenario here. What is that? Is this one, right? Let me just get a horizontal line and draw it here, and this is like over here, right? Okay, this line. Why I want to draw a vertical horizontal line here at the $90 mark is because since 2015, okay, it has always touched $90 and bounced back. Okay, since 2015, it has always touched $90 and bounced back, even during the COVID crisis, right? So I would say $90 is a very good support level, right? Technically as well, right? Okay, it has a very good support level whereby around at that price level, it a few times it broke below $90, but yet it bounced back up, right? As you can see over here, February 2016, over here as well, March 2020, which is the COVID crisis, and recently 2 months ago, it break below $90 and now it is $109, right? Okay, so I would say if technical analysis do hold true for the support at 90, very likely it may even go to 120 or even $140, right? 120 to $140, right, from this price onwards. But like I say, it may just retrace down back to maybe even $100 before it goes back up, right? Okay, so I would say anything that is around $100 to $90 is a very good support level for you to consider going long, right? So technically the charts do look good for Disney, right? And the support is there, right? It seems like it's going to a bottom is being formed here, and due to its being oversold for the past like more than 12 months, right? There could be a rebound from the oversold scenario, right? So that's the analysis in focus I have for you, and that is Disney, and I hope that you benefit from this and actually make some money from my analysis here on Disney, right? Just to wrap up, over here, let me just quickly go to my slides. So just to wrap up, overall market is bullish like what I showed you just now, and industry outlook is also bullish for Disney, right? That Disney is in the entertainment and media industry, so the industry outlook is looking pretty bullish as well for this year. And one thing to note is that Disney has been slowed down a lot due to COVID, but now COVID is opening up, and because of that, it should do well also. And due to oversold scenario, a lot of times it does rebound quite a bit, right? And this year could be the year, right? And on the technical charts, it also looks pretty nice on Disney, whether it's on the weekly chart or the monthly chart, it looks pretty good, right? And we have established that a good support level is at 90. So anything roughly 90 or slightly higher, like I say, right now is almost 110. That could be a retracement of maybe $10-15 before it goes back even higher, right? Okay, for the rest of the year. So hopefully with this sharing, you do benefit from this, and weeks or even months from now, we will know whether this is true or not, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching this, and like I say before I end, follow me on social media where almost every week I'll be uploading analysis that I see that will move quite a bit. so that you can benefit from my analysis and actually make some money for yourself, right? Okay, so and also from Facebook and Telegram, all right. You can click on the description and all these links are there. You can actually click on them and actually go and join them as well, right? Okay, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon in my next analysis in focus.